Okay mga langga, dito na tayo sa lesson 4. Okay, ayan. U. Ayan, yan yung stroke niya ha, pa-upward naman siya. Ayan. Tiny, upward, hook. Okay, example mga langga. Example, the word to. Ayan, is represented the sounds of T and U. Okay, ayan. Okay, next. Do. Yan, is represented the sounds of D and U. Okay, ayan. Okay, next example. Who. Yan ha. Is represented the sounds of H and U. Yan. Who. Yan. Okay, ano pa ba? Food. Represented the sounds of F, U, and D. Yan, okay. Another example, suit. Yan, is represented the sounds of S, U, and T. Yan, suit. Okay. True. Yan, is represented the sounds of T, R, U. Yan, true. Yan. Okay, another example, new. Ayan. New is represented the sounds of N and U. Ayan. N and U. Pero bakit nasa tabi na yung U sa N? Okay, like for example, the word new. Okay, baka magtaka kayo mga langga kung bakit yung U ay nasa tabi na ng N. Ayan, ganyan. Okay, pansinin niyo mga langga. Okay, naging ganito siya kapag katabi niya yung letter M at letter N. Okay? The U is placed on each side when it follows N and N. Okay, parang ganito, new. Yan. Hindi ganito ha. Yan, mali yan. Yan. Ito yung proper way ng pagsulat ng new. Another example, move. Yan. Okay. Hindi ganito ha. Hindi ganyan. Yan, mali yan. Yan, wag niyong susundin yan ha. Mali yan. Ito yung proper way na pagsulat ng stroke. Move. Yan. Mas na-obtain natin yung smooth joinings niya. Okay, mas madali siyang isulat. Okay? Okay, W and SW is represented also by the U. Hook. Okay, like for example, the word we. We is represented the sounds of U and E. Ayan, we. Okay, another one, way. Way is represented the sounds of U and A. Yan, way. Okay, ano pa ba? Sweet. Yan. Sweet is represented the sounds of S, U, E, and T. Yan. Sweet. Okay, ano pa ba mga langga? Okay, a wife. Yan, wife is represented the sounds of U, I, and F. Yan, wife. Wife. Yan. W and H is also represented the U, hook. Okay, like for example, the word yan, Y is represented the sounds of U and I. Y. Yan. Y. Okay, next. While. Yan is represented the sounds of U, I, and L. Yan, while. Okay, while. Okay, another example, white. Yan, white is represented the sounds of U, I, and T. Yan, white. Okay, the last is whale. Yan, is represented the sounds of U, A, and L. Ayan, whale. Yan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye. God bless.